Rome. All species must do it. It is instinctual, important, and it's vital for progression. We humans are curious. We want to see what others have seen, and we want to find what others have not seen before. Exploration instills hope and it empowers emotional uplift. The ocean offers that in the most beautiful way. Unlike land, it is not solid and it's not consistent. The ocean moves, it breathes, and it changes. It is different, and difference brings on curiosity. Curiosity stirs the desire to roam, and roaming leads us to knowing. We are moving
On a boat.
We are moving on a boat. And guess where that boat is? Can you show everyone?
Right there.
You can't see it,
Yeah.
but it's right. Life was fine. Everything was fine. Braden's a successful insurance agent, and I am a stay-at-home mom and photographer. And despite having every tangible goods we could ever need, we still wanted more. We all have dreams, and they seem to remain just that a lot of times. Just dreams. And in the end, it ends up hurting us because we wait for a better time. We didn't want to wait. This lifestyle, it's alternative. It could fail. We're giving up comfort and certainty for the unknown and the mystery. But we wanted to know, and we wanted our own, so we moved onto a boat. You talk first.
So we're going right now. We just got to North Carolina. Not like that makes a difference.
It's red.
I'm gonna go straight.
It's red light.
Are we straight or not?
No.
It's
My arm's getting tired, so
it's
you've
a
got to
55.
hurry.
It's a 55-foot trawler.
If it's working. Hold on, I gotta figure this out. 133.
So basically, we should have gone left to the next street instead
Wait,
of
we
making
gotta go straight. We put an offer on a boat last Friday. Take off my glasses. Last Friday, sight unseen. But we are hoping third time's a charm because this is the third boat we've put an offer in.
They're all the same boats, though. So it's
Kinda. This one's a little different.
Yeah.
This boat is a twin-engine wet exhaust system. But after reviewing the spec sheets for a long time and picking it apart, we realized it's a really clean boat with a lot of upgrades, and the layout seems very fitting for a family. So this is our dream. We have been talking about since pretty much the day we met. We wanted to do something like this with children. Now we're to the point where we have children, and it's or reality we're living.
So I noticed that dreams are a lot more fun to dream about than they are to do. There's a lot of work into accomplishing your dreams, and sometimes it costs a lot of money that you didn't even ever expect to spend.
Pretty much sometimes dreaming ain't so bad.
Dreaming is good. Dreaming is good.
Living your dreams is a whole nother
Realities
story.
are a whole nother thing. That's the problem.
So, without further ado, we are gonna go spy on the boat.
What are we talking about?
This is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to tell people. Tip.
Okay.
If anything, I think that doing this will make me be more organized, and you, Brayden, will have to be, because in order to run a boat of this size, you have to be extremely organized, right? I'm guessing. And there's little things that I look forward to cooking more. We eat out pretty much every single day right now, and I'm looking forward to cooking my own food, and I'm looking forward to being with my kids 24/7, having Brayden be with the kids 24/7, and I'm looking forward to teaching my kids and homeschooling them, as hard as that sounds. I'm looking forward to doing that, and watching them learn will be extremely rewarding for me, and it will be very hands-on for them. So those are the biggest things, while they seem small, that I do in my everyday life. That's what I'm looking forward to. What I'm gonna miss is my friends, my horse, my family. I probably should have changed the order of that. My family, friends, and horse. I don't know. Other than that, I guess I'll probably miss a home that doesn't move when I experience seasickness. And I'm curious to see how our dogs do. That's something that I think is going to be a bigger deal that we're not really thinking about right now, to be honest. Other than that, I'm excited. I don't know. That's it. That's all. You can stop filming. Join us next time on Rome to Know as we pack our house up, move across America, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.